In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can save a TikTok video without having to post it publicly. Okay, so this process is fairly straightforward and simple, so let's just get straight into it. Once you've loaded up TikTok, you want to tap here where it says create to start creating your TikTok video. That will open up the TikTok camera, and I'll just record something real quick for an example. Okay, so once you've recorded, then you can tap on the tick mark at the bottom right. Then you want to edit your TikTok however you want to edit it, add your sounds, effects, text, and stickers. Then tap on next at the bottom right. Now, before we go ahead and actually post this, but we're not going to be posting it publicly, you want to tap here where it says who can watch this video. So tap on that. Then you want to select at the bottom only me. And now you want to, before you tap on post, tap on more options there at the bottom. And then you want to toggle on here where it says save to device. That'll save it to your camera roll on your phone. And then you can quickly go and delete that video from your profile. Even though it's not public, you can take it off if you want, and you'll still have the TikTok video on your camera roll. So to close that out, then you just need to describe your video, select your cover, and then you want to post that. And then once you've posted that, you can go back into your phone's camera roll, and then you'll see the TikTok video saved. If you don't want the watermark on the video, you can go onto a watermark removing website and remove the watermark. It can be done straight from your phone, and then you'll have that TikTok video. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.